Hello everybody, late start to getting out into nature today, 7 p.m. Weren't supposed to have thunderstorms until 7:30. I step outside, it's raining. Don't have a rain jacket on, but you know what, I'm like, I looked at the clouds in front of me, it looked blue, but behind me looks gray. So we shall see. Check out the clouds. Not sure what type of bird that is. Looks like some type of hawk. This is box elder maple, which not only are its seeds important for wildlife, but this you can make maple syrup out of. And interestingly enough, the seeds too can be used as a type of tea. Maybe I'll have to try that. Well, it is 7:30. Call it luck. Call it just an unwavering belief that if you go anyways, even if it is raining on you and you're not quite sure how it's going to turn out, if you go with just a sense of adventure and an open heart, truly, things will turn out. Gentle reminder.